Hey guys, it's too warm today. I'm currently driving, the camera's down there. But anyway, I'm heading towards Sunshine. I'm gonna get a haircut from JM, so it's gonna be. I'm running late. Yes, I'm fucking running late. Anyway, see you guys later. Yeah, I know I'm running late. I'm heading to JM to get a haircut, and yes, I'm fucking late. He's gonna kill me now. Anyway, see you later, guys. Oh, fucking it's dark. Okay, just done with the haircut. Well, it's not focusing, motherfucker. There you go. Okay, just done with the fucking shit. Okay, just done with the haircut, and I'm heading to Don's place right now. I might pass by Papa Bear. Yeah, it's kind of warm today. Good weather. Anyway, gotta go. Turning old. I'm seeing white hair everywhere. Ube cake. Okay, all good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Brianna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, so it's a Saturday right now. My shoot will come up later, so it's kind of, yeah, my shoot will be later, and yeah, I have nothing to say. Burp. It's been a while. I'm heading to the computer shop. I'm gonna get a router or a switch, that way I can line aggregate stuff and get some faster speeds on my NAS. So let's go, guys. Up to the computer shop. So there are two computer shops that I know that I recommend, but I'm not sponsored by them. Here in Melbourne, I like two of them. Maybe because they're the only two that I know. But yeah, I go for ScorpTech because you can check them online. They have good branches and they have good stuff and everything else. Also, I like CPL, which they have freaking cheap items at CPL. The only problem with CPL is that when you go there, service is about slow because like people take some time to help you out. But other than that, it's fine. Anyway, yeah. Oh, check out that car. It has a different bumper. Yeah, so the car there has a different bumper. It's like white, and that's, I think it hit something. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. Laura's heading to work, but I have a shoot at around 6 p.m. later. I need to get ready, and yeah, need to do the laundry after. So let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on. Si Pangubos.
Ganyan talaga.
Pangubos. Bye. So yeah, I'm here in the event right now. I'm gonna be shooting Big Boy's wife's birthday. It's 50th birthday, and yeah, we're rocking. I'm shooting it with Don.
Habang ginaganon mo yung sing-sing plate.
Yeah, we're getting ready for everything. Let's go.
Hey, boss!
Boss, tignan mo na gawa mo dyan.
Tignan mo, hindi ka dito.
Ay, paano mag-SDE, boss?
Same hour,
Pakita mo.
DSDE. Say S-H-E. Same hour edit.
Sige, pakita ng timeline mo, boss. Mukhang mahirap yan eh.
Ha? Taka lang.
Tinago pa.
Ayan.
Pakita ng timeline mo. Kahaba ng timeline.
Ayan, oh. Namo, ayan, oh.
Kahaba.
Oh, ayan, oh. Namo, oh.
Ilang minutes yan, boss?
Ayan lang, mga 2 minutes.
Miguel, may request sila. Special, special.